Claremont Rug Company has curated a vast collection of antique 19th century Indian Agra and Amritsar art rugs. The historic Indian city of Agra, best known as the home of the Taj Mahal, has a long and illustrious tradition of carpet weaving. Dating back to the Mughal Empire in the 16th century, carpet weavers were deeply inspired by the highly revered Persian court carpets. Although carpet production in Agra was considerably less than Persia, its workshops produced graceful antique carpets recognized for their superb artistry and excellent workmanship. An elite group of the very finest 19th century Agra region carpets are attributed to the nearby town of Amritsar. These are known for their extremely fine craftsmanship, lustrous wool, and highly artistic design and color combinations. The most prized antique Amritsar carpets show very clearly drawn and spaciously placed designs, often based on Garden of Paradise themes. In today's rug world, Amritsar rugs remain highly desirable and widely collected, largely because of their quietly formal repertoire and muted color palettes. At first glance, they may be mistaken for antique Persian carpets, but for seasoned carpet aficionados, 19th and early 20th century Agras and Amritsars offer a very different ambiance. Their workshops were highly influenced by Western tastes and combine the grandeur and grace of well-known Persian court antique carpet designs with new motifs of their own creation. Some of these weavings display a central medallion on an unadorned field of gold or other pastel colors. More often, a finely knotted overall floral pattern with a restrained coloration involving 3 to 5 tonalities were produced. One of the contributions of the Agra tradition was a masterful naturally dyed color spectrum that differed from the Persian tones, which were based on the complementary colors of red and blue with a very wide group of secondary hues. Agra's workshop artisans developed golds, aubergine, lavender, pink, and periwinkle blues as the basis of their creations. These colors created rugs of a light ethereal appearance, which are sometimes chosen today as a very good high decorative option, the very best early pieces sometimes reaching connoisseur caliber. Occasionally, one may find an Agra with a deep, richer Persian palette. The workshops in Agra and Amritsar typically only produced larger room-sized pieces with sizes ranging upward to oversize and palace size. The finest 19th century Agra and Amritsar antique carpets are universally respected by both collectors and interior designers and are to be considered as individual and highly praised works of art. Their delicate palette of color and whimsical drawing is unique among decorative antique carpets. Since 1980, Claremont Rug Company's niche has been the finest in authentic art-level antique carpets for today's range of decors. Browse a sampling of more than 1,000 antique Persian and Oriental rugs at ClaremontRug.com.